Hey everyone, let's talk about something that's actually way more important than you might think, your home's wiring. Now I know, wiring isn't exactly the most exciting topic, but trust me, avoiding a few simple mistakes can make your home a whole lot safer and save you money in the long run. So here are the top 4 house wiring mistakes that you should avoid at all costs. First up, using the wrong MCB rating. Now, the MCB, or miniature circuit breaker, acts like a safety valve for your electrical circuits. If you pick one that's too high, it might not trip when there's a problem, leaving your wires at risk of overheating or even causing a fire. Too low? It'll trip constantly, which is just plain annoying. So always check the correct rating for each circuit, or better yet, ask an electrician. Next on the list, no earth wire. The earth wire is your home's lifeline when things go wrong. It channels stray electricity safely away, protecting you from nasty shocks. Skipping the earth wire to save a few bucks is just not worth the risk. If you're not sure if your home is properly earthed, it's time to get it checked out. Mistake number 3, overloading extension boards. We're all guilty of plugging in too many devices at once. But when you overload an extension board, you're basically asking for trouble. Overloaded boards can overheat, melt, or worse, start a fire. So keep it simple, one high-power device per extension, and never daisy chain multiple boards together. And finally, not installing an RCCB. That's a residual current circuit breaker. It's a mouthful, but what it does is super important. It detects dangerous leaks of electricity and shuts things down before you even realize there's a problem. Not having one is like driving without a seatbelt, so if your fuse box doesn't have an RCCB, consider upgrading soon. Alright, that's my quick rundown of the 4 most common wiring mistakes. Remember, a little attention now can save you a lot of headache later. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need a reminder. Stay safe and see you in the next one.